As the last step, we have to add the animation to those movie clips according to our Spiderman interactive movie clip with Adobe Flash CS6. In my MC_main movie clip, I am going to access that and cut the MC character movie clip into a new layer called as character, and I'm going to place this as the top edge and left edge corner inside of this movie clip, and I'm going to arrange the rulers of here, and this is the MC character movie clip in the 0 position, top edge and left edge, and place this MC character movie clip in the change this position in the Y position as the 200, and going to create the classic twin inside according to this MC character movie clip, and you can see this movie clip going down up according to my classic twin, and I am going to set the alpha to 0 and 100, and you can see the animation in here going down, and it changed the alpha value to 0 to 100, and also I am going to do the some kind of classic twin to the dynamic text inside of this MC_main. It is also the alpha value. I am going to change the alpha value, and now I'm going to change the e-scene animation to this image in my image, and I am going to add the action to the last frame as the stop action. Now you can see after the debug of this action script, when I click on the Spiderman 1 button, there is no change, but I am comment this stop action. Now you can see our animation is working in here, but I'm going to uncomment it because I need this stop animation inside of this MC_main movie clip, and I'm going to remove my MC_main movie clip from my stage. So I'm going to delete this movie clip layer, and I'm going to build the action script linkage. Those linkage I am built in my Joker movie clip. So I'm going to create a new object by using MC_main movie clip. My object name is CLS_main, but I'm going to change this one as without any conflict MC_main CLS. After that I cannot access any kind of MC_main movie clip because I do not have any kind of MC_main movie clips in here. Only now I have MC_main CLS movie clip. So I am going to change my action script to MC_main CLS, and add this MC_main CLS to the stage by add child function, and I'm going to play this movie clip, and after that I'm going to change the X position and Y position here with the MC_main CLS. So our animation and all the things are working perfectly, but I'm going to do little adjustments here because I have to adjust those things very properly. So our MC_main movie clip, I am going to adjust this text box and this image position as well as like this one. This is the very difficult part to adjust those things inside of a movie clip, but you have to learn that one with the calculations in the Adobe Flash movie clips by using images and other things. So okay, now you can see our animation is working perfectly in here. So now you can change the XML file. That means you can change the element values inside of this XML file. I'm going to change my fchar and star topics as hello spider and hi spider. Now you can see, according to my example, those XML file values will load into the Adobe Flash CS6. This is Spiderman interactive movie. So thanks for watching.